So, a fun article here out of our News to You breaking news segment. I'm going to read the story and then we'll do a quick comprehension activity. So, this one's about, you guessed it, McDonald's. I know you can all see the M's. You recognize the word McDonald's. It's really hard to read a lot of words, but gosh, we know McDonald's well, don't we? So, it says McDonald's Thank You Meals. It says first responders and healthcare workers can get free meals. They can get the free meals at McDonald's restaurants. They can get the free meals from April 22nd until May 5th. First responders and healthcare workers help others. McDonald's wants to thank them. Okay, so who was a first responder? Let's talk about that. Do you see that picture of the first responders? Can you see it? I know it's really small, huh? Let me zoom in. Okay, you see it? Yeah, there it's looks like a policeman, a fireman, maybe a paramedic. The first responders are the people that are on the scene when you call 911. They're the first people there. That's why they're called first responders. Kind of cool, huh? So now you know if your mom needs a policeman, you say, "Oh, we need a first responder." You're going to kind of know what that is now. What else? Are healthcare workers then? Those are the doctors and the nurses. You know, with the virus, the hospitals are flooded right now with people who are sick. So the healthcare workers and first responders are working a lot of hours right now trying to help a lot of people. So that's why McDonald's is saying thank you by giving them free meals. Now look at those dates. April 22nd is today. That means starting today through May 5th, they get a free meal from McDonald's. How cool would that be? Do you think they deserve it? I think they deserve it too because they're working long hours and sometimes it's nice to just be able to stop by McDonald's and get a meal really quickly and then feel the gratitude of the people at the restaurant because they don't want you to pay for it. So great. Okay, so let's do our comprehension activity. Okay. It says, what can first responders and healthcare workers get free at McDonald's? Do they get cookbooks, cakes, or meals? You guys all said it. I know you did. I could hear you saying it, guys. Meals. Good job. Now, I would love to get a cake for free or a cookbook for free, but McDonald's, they have meals, so that's what they're giving out for free. Yep, we did good. We got a green light on that. Good job. How many free meals can first responders and healthcare workers get each day? Our particular lesson did not go over that. So let's look at the first article that they have. This is the first one, and it's a little bit longer than the one with the pictures on it. So I'm going to read that to you and see if you can hear the answer when I say it. How many free meals do they get each day? Okay, ready? All right, listen for it. McDonald's restaurants want to thank the people who work to keep others safe and healthy. From April 22 until May 5, McDonald's is offering free thank you meals to first responders and healthcare workers. First responders include, guess what? Police officers, firefighters, and paramedics. Didn't we name all of those? Great job, guys. Healthcare workers include doctors, nurses, therapists, and aides. The thank you meals are available during breakfast, lunch, and dinner. First responders and healthcare workers can show their badges or wear their uniforms to receive one free meal a day. Each meal is served in a Happy Meal box and includes a thank you note. Wow, that's pretty cool. They even get a thank you note. Okay, so did you catch that answer? I think you did. What do you remember hearing? One free meal a day 4 free meals a day or 5 free meals a day? I can see you guys all putting your fingers up. Enrica, Jose, Isaiah. Yeah, Rafi, good job. Montreal, I could hear you saying it. 1, 1, 1. You're right in the front saying 1, 1, 1. Good job. Got another green light. Good job. So what does each free meal include? Does it include a present, money, or a thank you note? Good thing we read that first one with all the information because then we knew the answer is hooray. Okay, it's kind of a present, isn't it? Except it's not wrapped and they know what it is. So it's kind of a present and they're kind of getting money because they don't have to pay the money. So it's like they're getting their money back. So they're kind of giving them money. Let's see. No, they're not going to tell us. Okay, anyways, that was your fun breaking news story today. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll be back with you guys again.